Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the part 2 of the video, Our Past, that is lesson number 10. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions of the questions that we have discussed earlier. Question number 1. In what ways have we learned about the early civilization in the subcontinent? So students, what you have learned about the early civilization in the subcontinent? Very good. We have learned about the early civilization from the excavations done by the archaeologists to find out about how the people in the early civilization flourished. They found pieces of pottery, ornament, jewelry made of semi-precious stones and gold beads, pots and other utensils made from clay and copper. Some seals and weights were also found. Historians are trying to decipher the writings to find out more about their way of life. Question number 2. What does Mohenjo Daro means? Where is it located? Okay, so who's going to tell me that? Very good. Mohenjo Daro means the Mound of the Dead. It is located near Larkana, Sindh. Very good. Question number 3. How do we know that the Indus Valley civilization was advanced for its time? Yes, students. How can we say that Indus Valley civilization was advanced for its time? Let's think about it. Yes, excellent. We know that Indus Valley civilization was more advanced in time because they knew about how to use the wheel. They had streets with proper drainage system. They used copper to make utensils, and pieces of cloth made by the people of Indus Valley had been found in Mesopotamia. This showed that they traded with people at a distance from their civilization. Question number 4. Who were the Aryans? How did they affect the subcontinent? So students, who were the Aryans and how they affect the subcontinent? We all know that. Very good. The Aryans were a large tribe from Central Asia. They settled in the subcontinent in 1500 before Common Era. They introduced the Sanskrit language and also brought new religion, that is Hinduism. Question number 5. Describe how learning progressed in ancient India. Give some examples. So students, how learning progressed in ancient India? Yes, very good. Taxila had one of the largest Buddhist universities where Buddhist scholars came to study. The Mauryans and Guptas also encouraged learning. Harsha, a ruler of Nanda dynasty, set up the Nalanda University. The famous mathematician Aryabhata from the university used the concept of zero. Okay, students, open page number 75 and let's do the work page together. And make sure each one of you take part in it. Part A. There were some great empires and dynasties in the history of the subcontinent. Make a list of these in the order in which they ruled. The first one has been noted for you. So the first one is given to us, which is the Persians. Very good. So what do you think, students? Who came after the Persians? Yes, very good. The Persians were followed by the Greeks. So over here at number 2, we are going to write the Greeks. So after the Greeks, the Mauryans came. Very good. So at number 3, we are going to write the Mauryans. Okay, so now let's recall together. Who came after the Mauryans? Yes, very good. The Kushans. So at number 4, we are going to write the Kushans. After Kushans came the Guptas. Now, who were the Guptas? So at number 6, we are going to write Parthians. Then, of course, after Parthians, who came? The Huns. And who were the Huns? They were the Central Asian tribe, and they create destruction wherever they go. And at number 8, we are going to write the Nandas. So at number 8, we are going to write the Nandas because they were the last one who came after the Huns. Let's do the part B together. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Number 1. The Indus Valley civilization flourished in about 2600 before Common Era. True. Number 2. The people of Mohenjo Daro traded goods with England. False. The Aryans were a tribe from Africa. No, false. The culture of Gandhara and Texela was influenced by the Greeks. True. Number 5, Ashoka became a Buddhist after the Battle of Kalinga. True.
Nalanda University was set up by the Kushans. False.
Part C. Write a sentence explaining what each of the following words mean. So the first one is archaeology. Archaeology is the study of the remains of ancient civilization. Number 2, inscription. The words written or carved on a monument, coin, stones, etc. Third one is dynasty. A series of rulers of a country who all belong to the same family. Thank you for watching this video.